PhotoShooting mobile camera for After Effects. Here is a project including 4K, HD and portrait. In our example, we will use a portrait. Drag and drop this portrait mobile in your timeline. And then drop your media inside. You can align this marker with a media change. Match the portrait aspect ratio and hit render. Your transition is now ready. This effect can be used as an overlay as well. Let's create a composition, an HD this time, and drop our HD, one of these two. The one is left aligned and the other is right aligned. Let's keep this one. Drop our media inside and double click to enter in the settings. We may drop our media inside. Inside this COM, you have many settings. You can access these settings from the blue color layers. The first one is for the animation in. So, beginning, you have an animation in as you see. Unchecking this checkbox, there is no animation in. The same happens for the shutter on off. So, in case you select an uncheck shutter, you won't have any shutter. Or in case you uncheck this focus blur, there will be no focus. From here you have access to the shutter start and the focus. So the shutter start begins at 2 seconds and the focus earlier at 1.2. You have 4 different shutter animations. So from here, there is the flash, simple flash, shutter, and simple shutter, like this. And you have 10 different sound effects to choose. That's really handy. The second blue color layer is controls number 1. And from here, you have access to the colors. In case you need, you can change the colors as you see here. The line width for all lines inside. Top size control. You can move this background like this. And the side size. You have a timecode option. Of course, you can move this timecode and place it wherever you like. You can change the button. You have the golden ratio. You have sidelines and many features. For example, here in the shape lines, you have 10 options. So you can select different shapes lines. There are 10 options for the center line as well. So using this checkbox, you can select different lines. Of course, you can adjust the size here. There is a small point control to adjust the center target position if needed. Controls number 2 includes all icons. There are 4 drop-down menus including 32 icons each. So you can select different icons. These icons are in this orange color. Select it and move it wherever you like. After editing all 4 icons, you have some more checkboxes for the button numbers, the volume size, there's a toggle for the volume in case you need it different. The battery level, the battery size, the battery level, and colors. You can use different colors. There is also a record where you can select whether you need to have a blinking dot or not. Of course, you can edit the colors here as well. I really hope you enjoy working with these PhotoShooting mobile camera transitions or overlays. Thanks for watching.